What's going on tonight?
Y'all been upstairs yet?
No.
We were sitting out on the balcony, and a stream came over. I knew it was Pete. I ain't crazy. And so my wife went around to the grassy area and said, "Hey, if you don't mind, don't pee over the ledge. It comes over into our balcony." And his wife, I guess, said, "It was just water." I'm not stupid. I'm 45 years old. It's pee. Then she said, "I'm sorry." And so as my wife was walking back, he just stood up, started, "F you, F this, I'll come down there and I'll kick your ass." And I was like, so I walked around to the grassy area and I said, all we said was just don't pour nothing off the side of the balcony. You don't pay your bills, I'll pay her bills. I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. Yelling. He climbs over the rail, slides down, tries to step on our rail, and when he steps on it, slips straight down on the concrete. And we're talking 6 feet, 8 feet, straight onto his back. By the time I turned back around, he's already up on the steps in front of me. Of course, I'm 170 pounds. He's got arms on him this big, covered in tattoos. I thought, look, man, I got my kids. I think that's the only thing that calmed him to stop it. I said, my kids are right here playing the PlayStation. I said, get off my porch. This is my property, so just go.
Did he enter into your back porch?
Oh, yeah, he was up on the back porch. Yeah,
He was up on the back porch. He was staying directly in the room above you?
Yeah. When he came over that rail, I said, this guy's crazy. He's serious. But when he stepped on it, he'll be feeling that tomorrow. I mean, he got back first. Bang, onto the, I said,
Like a 6-foot fall straight down?
yeah, he stepped on our rail and straight down.
I got you, okay.
And I'm telling you, before I turned around, he done popped back up through the gate up on the balcony. I was like, holy shit. I said, this guy just got something pumping through him that he don't feel nothing. He will tomorrow, but.
Right.
How are you guys?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
How's it going?
Hello.
You staying here with somebody?
My husband, he actually just walked out to go find you all to talk to you all.
Okay. What's going on tonight?
Some people, we poured out a water bottle, some people downstairs got mad. He just calmed back
How y'all
back.
doing?
Hey, how we
There
doing?
he is.
What's going on?
How you doing?
What's going on tonight?
Sorry.
Yeah?
Yes, he went to
Yeah, what happened tonight?
Calm the f down, brother.
He's
I'm a grunt U.S. Marine. Calm the f down.
I'm grabbing a flashlight.
There's no point in doing all that shit.
Okay. What's going on?
Nothing.
I guess somebody got mad off a water bottle or something?
I have no idea. I'm here about to go to bed with my wife.
We poured out a water bottle, the girl got mad, he got mad back.
Okay.
I mean,
There's nothing.
No problem.
It ain't no big deal, brother.
I know, but if we get called somewhere, you know what we gotta do.
Again, I'm a grunt U.S. Marine.
Sure.
I understand how this shit goes.
Yeah. Okay.
Not a big deal. I can go
Appreciate
to
your
bed.
service, first of all.
I can go in there and go to bed.
Well, can we just have your guys' IDs?
Yeah. Baby, you got our stuff?
Where y'all from?
Kentucky.
Cool.
You're on vacation for the week? Or?
Yep. There's my
dang.
ATA.
What happened to your arm? Is that from...
I slid down the side out there.
You hurt your back or your head or anything like that when you fell?
Hell no. Again, brother, there's nothing like that. It ain't no big deal.
Okay.
Are you still currently in?
Yeah. No, hell no.
No.
You see that belly?
Well, I don't know, man. You're pretty big.
I'm still fat as shit, son.
You got
No,
abs?
hell no. There ain't no way I'm in.
You got abs in front of that, right?
No, hell no. I don't got no abs in front of that.
Y'all here on vacation, I assume, right? You don't own this place or anything
No,
like that?
hell no. No.
How long you guys here till? Or I think I already asked.
Saturday. Saturday morning we'll be out. We were out front, having a good time.
Sure. Which you're more than you can.
Blah blah blah. And here we go.
So, the yelling, and so you like slid down the balcony off the back, or?
That was not me. That was some other guy, like two doors down or something. That I didn't do that.
Okay. So how'd you get that in your arm?
I have no idea, but I did not slide down anything like that.
I was not involved in this.
That's my wife. She'll tell you. I didn't even like it.
October 13th, you had a protected name.
So you never went to their level, like on the first floor, and yelled at them?
Did I?
To be honest, yes, you did.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I did.
He's a grunt marine. Sometimes it.
Hey, it happens.
I mean, I
What is it, a grant?
Grunt.
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 Oh, right, brother.
So, did you run down the stairs to go down there? I mean, I know you don't remember going down there, but
I'll be honest, killer. I dropped down on the steps.
I know you did.
I'm a Marine. Come on. I mean, come on, boys. But at this time, I'm going to go to bed.
Well, I'm sure my sergeant's going to come up here and just get your story, because he has a,
Yeah, I hear you. I get it.
like I said, he's talking to them, so he'll come up, talk to you, and then I'm sure we'll go our separate ways.
I get it.
I heard you fell on your back. Like you slipped off the ledge and fell.
I was good to go.
I know, but
Yeah, you did. You got it.
Did I?
so you fell from like this high, but obviously back there.
Hey. I'm a grunt, brother.
I'm just saying. It's pretty far.
That shit right there ain't no joke to me. It's whatever.
Sure.
Who are y'all staying with? Just the two of you, or you got family here with you?
Her parents.
I gotcha. Very cool. 13, good.
Read him his rights.
Me?
Yeah, you. Listen. He's gonna
Copy,
read
thanks. Back on primer.
something. He's gonna read something to you.
Here you are, man. You got it, Brandon?
What the hell did I do?
They're just reading you something real quick, that's all.
Yeah, I know. I know how this goes.
Alright.
Babe, I don't know what the but whatever.
Okay, sir. Let's see.
Yeah, no problem.
Up there. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you right now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be presented to you. If at any time you wish to stop talking to us or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
No.
Do you want me to read them to you again?
Can you?
I can't.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you right now or any time during questioning.
Listen, I don't need you to do this again. What's going on?
Would you understand these rights?
You understand what she read to you?
I understand what's going on, but what just happened?
Okay.
All right. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you?
But when a guy with a mustache comes up here,
When you
that's when something's going on.
So explain
what
to
did I
me-
just do?
you explain that to me. You tell me what
I
you
have
did.
no idea, sir.
You have no idea. You were just
I'm
sitting
a
in there
U.S.
watching
Marine.
Wheel of
I have no idea.
You were in there watching Wheel of Fortune, and we just came knocked on your door for no reason. Is that what
First
you're
of
saying?
all, calm that shit the f down.
Okay.
I'm not your
I'm
goddamn
going to
dude.
ask you some questions.
Don't call me. Don't do that
I'll
shit
give it
to
back
me.
to you in a minute.
Fantastic.
Because I'm a U.S.
Hands
Marine.
behind your back.
Andrew, just stay calm.
Might need to.
You want to fight? We'll do it, baby.
Bitch, I promise you, I'll mustache.
Andrew, stop.
Hey,
Hands behind your back.
relax.
I
Relax.
promise you, I'll.
I know. We'll do that later.
I'm a U.S. Marine.
I got it. I got it.
Let your boy get me.
Here.
Okay, let him get you.
Sarge, I got two
I
of them.
promise you, Sarge, you need to back the f up. Because I got more shit in my boots than what you got in your shit ever.
I know. All right.
There we
You
go.
ain't never heard combat when it comes to me, motherfucker.
All right.
With that bitch ass mustache. Fuck you, that bitch ass.
Alright, let's take the stairs.
Take him downstairs.
That way.
Let's go this way. Let's go.
Y'all are badass now. Like, ain't none of y'all been Iraq.
Doesn't matter when you jump on somebody's back porch.
Yeah.
Does it?
Ain't none of y'all been Iraq. What are you doing? Woo! Bitch ass motherfucker. I'll f your old lady.
All right, bring your knees to you.
There it is. Now pick me up. That's right. Pick me up, bitch.
Listen, put your knees down. Put your knees
You're
down.
regretting it now, aren't you?
I regret nothing.
Yeah. I'll f your old lady. Punk ass bitch. Oh, I'm a U.S. Marine. I'll f you up. What happened? Oh, I don't know. I'm still gonna get out of this because I make both of y'all look like bitches 3 months out of the year. Jack, got it, please. Stop. I got another charge. Nice try. I don't give a f. I don't give a f. Y'all ain't big enough. Ain't none of y'all big enough.
The top one,
Ain't none of y'all big enough. I got triceps bigger than those biceps. Get the f out of my face. Bitch ass.
Get in.
You.
Get in. Thank you.
Can I just say, coming from a Marine's aspect, we do not claim him.
Oh, okay.
Actually, stop it! Stop!
You bitch ass bitch!
Get him straight out. Take him straight out.
You can't f with me! Let's get it, bitch! Let's roll! Let's roll!
Yeah, hang on.
You! Let's get it! Let's get it! Y'all some fuck ass things. That's what I'm f***ing like! How quickly I got you in the car?
Return to the
Your
Can you
wife.
advise COs very combative 1015? And copy starting when you're ready. 330, on adult male.
I'll be back here in 8 hours.